Good morning, children. This is the physics period, and today I will explain you the conversion based on length. So before starting the conversion, let me tell you the sentence which will help you to learn the metric table, or we can say the sequence, how you will learn the sequence for this. It is a very easy method, children, and you will really love, because when you will understand, you will really love the conversions, and the conversions are very important part of measurement. So let's start. Before starting the conversion, I will show you this sentence. Khansama has deserted me during cold months. Khansama is a cook, has deserted me during cold months. What is the meaning and its relationship with the conversion? The Khansama, the cook, has left me, left, or you can say flee from my house during cold months. So when we talk about Khansama, the K, H, deserted, D, me, M. During, here you can see the small letter, here also cold small letter and months small letter. First three letters are in capital and rest of the letters, starting letters, are in small letters. Khansama has deserted me during cold month. If you will remember this sentence, you will never forget the sequence. We will take K. Khansama has deserted me during cold month. K for kilometer, H for hectometer, capital D is for decameter, this is meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Understood, children? K, H, D, M, D, C, M. Khansama has deserted me during cold month. Understood the sequence? So, if the sequence is known to you, then it is very easy. 1 kilometer, see, 7 are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 units are there. This is the middle one, meter, center one or middle one we can say. Here you write 1. As we move one step ahead, we will increase 1 0. 1, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. And when we come down, 1 upon 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. Understood? 1, we will start from here. 1, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. So meter is the center one. 1 decimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 meter. On here also 1 meter is equal to 1 meter only. 1 decimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Understood, children? See, Khansama has deserted me during cold month. This sentence and the sequence, the first letter we have taken. See, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Understood, children? So this way, this is the center one or the middle one. As we go up, we will increase 1 1 0. As we will come down, here also 1 upon and again increasing 1 0. Understood? This way you will keep remember. Only one sentence you have to learn. If the sentence is learned to you, you are able to learn this sequence very well. Understood, children? So as we move up, you can very well see they all are big units. All these one, they are small unit. Bigger unit, smaller unit. One more thing I would like to tell you. When we compare between two unit, suppose kilometer and hectometer. So which unit is written at the upper side? Always it is a big unit, and the unit which is written below, that is a small unit. Now we can compare these two unit, hectometer and decameter. Hectometer is upper side, decameter is this side, lower side. So this is the smaller unit and this one is the bigger unit. Now comparison between these two, decameter and meter. Decameter is bigger and meter is smaller. Now between these two, decimeter is bigger, centimeter is smaller. Now in another case, centimeter is bigger, millimeter is smaller. The unit which is written at the upper side is always a bigger unit, or we can say it is a big unit, and the unit which is written at the lower side is always a small unit. Like one more thing I would like to explain you. Just see, when we say convert big unit into small unit, we always multiply. Okay, you have to remember this, learn this. When you convert big unit into small unit, we always multiply. Always remember, underline this. And when we convert small unit into big unit, we always divide. These two things are very important. You should always understand, or you can say always remember. Okay.